Hi traders and welcome to the channel. So if you're in a position maybe to raise $100, and also I have received several questions in regards to how to grow a $100 account, this video is for you. So we'll be staking 0.35, stop loss 67, and then target profit is $3.50, okay? So this chart, I have taken time to calculate and see how anybody with $100 can safely, without blowing the account, almost 95% chance of you growing that account safely using the ProfitMax Fusion Analyzer bot, plus that table and those parameters of that table shared on the WhatsApp group and Telegram group. You can use this strategy. So we are staking 0.35. Our stop loss was $67. And then targeting $3.50 profit. Okay, so now you can do this 4 times in a day, and then you do the math, you'll be able to see how you will grow that account. If you've been trading on Deriv, or if you're a trader, the worst thing that ever happens is blowing your account. That is why you see from the stake to the take profit, it looks small, but the idea here is to protect your capital at the same time. The number one thing here is to be able to protect your capital and grow it slowly over the next few days, over the next few months. That is why you see those parameters are like that. And getting $3.50 in 4 sessions or 3 sessions, do the math, you will see it's not bad money. And then again, the more you increase your capital from 100 to 200 to 800 to 500 to $1,000, use the same method, increase the stake. Okay, so you'll be able to see at least your capital is safe, you've not blown the account, and at least you're making some profits. And that is a booster in terms of confidence to any beginner or any trader that has never maybe managed to get profits while trading on Deriv. Okay, so you can see we are staking 0.35, getting a very small amount, 0.06. It's a slow process but safe. Otherwise, by now, using strategies that maybe you're not good at, that $100 will be blown in seconds. Okay, so steadily aim for the $3.50. In this video, in certain sections, I have managed to forward it, so at least the video is not too long. But the entire process, for example, in this session, took me around 20 minutes because I was recording and forwarded or edited certain areas at least so that the video is not too long. Okay, you can see the bot is not trading very fast, but you can slowly grow that $100 using the chart. That chart, I have shared it on the WhatsApp group, in the Telegram channel. If you want it, I can still share it. You can maybe text me on my WhatsApp group. The link will be below the video to the group. And then the free bot is called the ProfitMax Fusion Analyzer. Okay, this is the bot, okay? And then set up those parameters like that. And every capital that you'll see there is what is appropriate. Okay, like now we are using the $100 stake and take profit. So if you use this again with $50 or $20, it will blow. It will maximum, if it goes for 3 martingale levels, max with this right now for $100 is 4 levels. Okay, so even if we lose at least maximum, not more than 4 levels, we have a chance of recovery. Okay, so don't use this strategy with $50 or $20 or $10 or $5. Okay, because once it does 3 or 2 losses, you'll see that account will be wiped out. This strategy right now is for $100. The growth is steady, and you can clearly see there it recovered with 13.87. We are back at a profit of $1.89. Okay, our target is just 3.50. Slowly, steadily building your confidence and at least not blowing $100 in seconds. So keep observing, and you can see already there 101.98, and we are safe. No rush. Psychologically, emotionally, you're very confident because again, one of the biggest things in trading is the emotional bit. Okay, emotional factor, psychological factor, whereby you're trading, you're scared, and you're also traumatized by the number of accounts you've blown. I have come up with this strategy, this bot, that PDF guiding you. It's very safe for any beginner or any savvy trader. You can use this strategy slowly and at least be able to build your account in regards to your capital. $100, $200, $800, $1,000. Use this strategy. You can always at least get some profits or something to motivate you. Okay. Now you can see already we're at 2.19. Certain sections I have had to forward the video because it takes its time. I actually even went and took some tea and the bot is still running. But I'm relaxed. I am not tense. My $100 is secure, is safe. The bot parameters are also looking after my capital. And you can always stop the bot manually, but by then you have the chance and the ample time to look at the market and see your trades going, and you can actually save your $100. Okay, so we're at $2.37. You can see a loss there of 0.35, then plus the 0.6 profit that we should get, and then it does the martingale now, and then there you can see now 2.0, 2.20 loss. Then you will see the martingale, and you can clearly see it's taking its time despite me having forwarded the video. So you should not be scared at this stage as a beginner or somebody who has really saved the $100 and you're scared of just jumping in and blowing it out. There you can see martingale at 13.87, and we've recovered with $2.60. Now we're at $2. Loss there, $2.07. But you should be able to at least most of the times hit the 3.50 take profit. Okay. The idea, I repeat again, the idea, because what really affects most traders is when they blow accounts, when they lose and blow accounts. So with this method, with $100, and you follow the table structure there in terms of your stake and take profit, most of the time you should be able to be safe. There we've recovered. Right now we're at $2.48. And this will also give you confidence in terms of trading with real funds, okay? Because it's not too fast, it's going slowly, psychologically, emotionally. You can build yourself in terms of confidence and doing live real trades, okay? Because your target is realistic, not unrealistic. So keep observing. We're at $2.54. We should be able to reach the $3.50. So $3.50 times, let's say you do 4 sessions, do the math, you'll be able to see how much you can make in a single day. Okay, steadily, safely, and the most important thing for any trader is risk management, preservation of your capital, because without the capital, what will you trade with? So we must always use strategies that help us in regards to looking or protecting our capital. Okay, you can see our $100 is still there. We are moving slowly, $2.72. Our main bulk of the capital is still there. So at this stage, even right now, psychologically, emotionally, you are strong, you have morale, and you can see yourself at least making some profits. Okay. And this is a boost in terms of psychology, trading psychology, because as a trader, once you start winning small wins, eventually you'll be able to gain confidence and start going for the big wins. Okay. And that happens by increasing the stake, increasing your capital, and then, of course, getting more in terms of your total take profit. Okay, but you must start from somewhere. So with this way, you can slowly and gradually grow your account. You can see already you've done 60 runs, contracts won 50, contracts lost 10, and our account is still intact. Okay, now, like I have said, you can do the math of 3.50 times 4 or even times 5 times, because again, you're trading very safely. And by the end of the day, you should be able to make close to $15, which is very okay in terms of percentage and in terms of your return on investment. Okay, without blowing the account, because you can maybe stake $5 or even more and then simply end up blowing your account. You load another $100, you blow it, and then eventually you will think trading never works. Okay, so I have done most of the difficult job in terms of maybe creating a bot like this one, creating or calculating how much you need to stake, okay, to get what, and then how many sessions. You can do 3 to 4 sessions in a day and then call it a day. Look at, if you do that, let's say in a week's time, you do the math, you'll start seeing your profits compounding, and you can start saying that you're making some good money. We're already at 3.38 USD, very close to hitting 3.50. You can see 3.44. So I will leave a link to the WhatsApp group. And there we are, we've hit $3.50. You can see that safely. Psychologically, your capital is still there. You made 3.50. Okay. And we've done 71 runs, contracts 159, contracts lost 12. Okay. Now, you might see or think this is small amount, but if you blow the account, that is when you know the pain of blowing money. $100 is a lot of money. This is the recommended capital structure that you need to use for $100. For $200, you'll be making $9 profit. For $500, target making $24. Okay, so you can imagine $24 times 3 sessions, how much money that is. Good money. $800, $39, and then maybe $1,000, you're targeting around $50 per session. That is very good controlled money without blowing your capital, protecting your capital. In Kenya, $3.50, that is 431 Kenya shillings. You hear UN reports saying that people live under $1. So already making $3.50 is good, and then you keep on increasing. Watch my next videos. Happy trading and good luck. Remember to like, subscribe, and all the links are below the video. Happy trading.